happen all the time. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to another day in my life. It is probably around 11 o'clock in the morning. I woke up late. It's been a really weird and stressful weekend. Had a lot going on. Then work last night was just rough. It was really rough. It was one of those days where I had tried every single trick under the sun, tried playing games, tried to just recenter them, get them focused, and it was really rough, and I had to use my mom voice with the kids, and I don't like my mom voice. I really don't. It hurts my heart to use it on some of these kids, because some of these kids I've had since the very beginning, like since I first started like 3 months ago, and they're still my kids, and it's hard to like be that adult, like I'm in charge mode for me, but I'm getting better, and hopefully, I don't know, but it is a busy day today. I have to kind of tidy up the living room. I don't know if you can really see all of that. Then I have to kind of tidy up here. That's my bowl from breakfast. I tidied up the kitchen already as I was making my breakfast and coffee, and just washed all the dishes and wiped everything down. After I do all of that, then I need to, before, I don't know. Sometime today I have to get my laundry done, and I think I'm going to go ahead and start it now, and that way I can clean up everything else around it. And then either today or tomorrow, I'm not quite sure when I'm going to do it. I think tomorrow, because it'll be the one thing I do before I go to work. I have to go get my high school transcript because your girl's going back to college. So yeah, we got quite the list today. Lots of cleaning. So let's get started. So I just started my first load of laundry. It's mainly all of my towels and swimsuits and my shirt for work. And then the following load after that is going to be like my normal clothes, and then I'm going to wash my sheets. But for those of you interested in what I bring to work, let's go through my bag. This is my wonderful gym bag. I found it at Walmart for I think $7. So really cheap, but super nice. And it has one large pocket, a small front pocket here, and a mesh pocket. So we'll start in the big pocket right now because it is the emptiest. Normally I also have a towel, my swimsuit, and my shirt for work, but you guys have seen that multiple times. I just have a brush from Revlon. I like the slots because it gets all the conditioner out really easily from my hair. I can just rinse it and it looks good as new. And then I just restocked on these because I ran out, but I use the Tresemme Thick and Full with Glycerol pH Balanced shampoo and conditioner just because my hair is so damaged. All the chemicals from the pool going into my hair just throws off everything. So I'm hoping that this pH balance is doing its job still and keeping everything nice and full. And then just the conditioner goes with it. And then my mom got a package from, I can't remember, but it had a little travel size of this cucumber seaweed green tea deep detox body wash from Method, and I loved it. So I went to H-E-B and found this giant one, and that is what I use. And then I just trade out perfumes. I have so many Bath and Body Works perfumes that I just trade one out every week. So this week it is Maui Mango Surf, and it smells so good, you guys. I love it so much. Now, in this side pocket here, I just have some makeup wipes, and then I have smaller toiletries that I don't want getting lost in that big bag. So it's just in this gold little pencil pouch that I got a couple years ago. I don't really use pencil pouches anymore. I just take like 1 or 2 pens with me and then keep it moving. Okay, so in here I just have deodorant, some earplugs for the pool because sometimes my ears get really sensitive and I don't want to get Simmer's ear like I did last time. That sucked. And then I just have my peppermint bark face bar that I use. And it has been amazing. Okay, so finishing off, we have this front pocket here. This pocket, I believe, just contains some tampons, pads, Q-tips, and an extra hair tie, which is always nice to have. But there you have it. You have what I bring in my bag with me to work. Now I'm just gonna pull off these sheets, get them ready to be washed, and I think we'll be good. I've already tidied the kitchen. I took out all the trash from downstairs. I should probably take out all the trash from upstairs. I think I'll do that now. So my room, the bathroom. My mom and sister usually take their trash on their own. So just my room and the bathroom. And yeah, busy day today. Just kind of running around doing random things. You guys, I'm feeling really weird today. Last night I was feeling really productive. I was like, I'm gonna wake up, I'm gonna get all these things done. And then I woke up and I was just in a really, really weird mood. Like, I'm not quite sure to explain it. It's like, I feel like everything is coming together, but at the same time, like something's gonna mess it up. And it's making me really anxious. So I kind of want to curl up and just lay in bed. But I've already pulled all my sheets off, so I can't do that. I need to get stuff done, and it's just weighing on me that, oh, I can't run away from things now. Like, it really is time to keep it moving. School's getting ready to go. And I know that if I don't keep my room clean, that it's just gonna make that feeling worse. But it's really hard to keep pushing and pushing when all you wanna do is lay down. And I don't know. I just thought I'd share that. everything's being washed. I'm kind of just here in my thoughts. So what I think I need to do is just take a shower, blast some music, and pump myself up, because I can't do what I need to do while feeling like this. It's just not gonna happen. So that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna go grab my speaker, set up the bathroom for my shower, and just get started, because I feel gross. You guys, that shower was exactly what I needed. I feel so refreshed, so much more energized. I'm ready to just like jump up and down and do a whole bunch of stuff. But I'm gonna finish up my laundry, work on some notes for sociology, because tomorrow I'm gonna request my high school transcript. Oh my god. I'm gonna request my high school transcript and set up an appointment with my advisor, both at UTSA and my new college that I'm going to. And I think after that I just have to schedule an orientation and I'm all set. I can start the enrollment process, like getting classes registered for and all of that jazz. I think tonight me and my mom are gonna work on some of the financial aid stuff. We just have to submit another FAFSA, and I've been applying for tons of scholarships. Hopefully I'll hear from those soon. But I'm so excited. I'm so freaking excited. I cannot wait to go back to school, get into a routine that's more structured, because right now it's like, oh, what chores do I have to do today? Oh, no chores, Netflix day, you know? And that way you guys have more content to see. It's gonna be so fun. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. Alrighty, you guys, so I've been working hard. It's time to get some lunch in because I'm getting kind of hangry. Like, I was watching some YouTube videos and I found myself getting annoyed at some of the stuff, and I don't get annoyed at my YouTube videos normally. I was like, ugh, this type of stuff. So it's time for some food. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna make. I do have some leftover Caesar salad from the other day that I think I'm gonna eat. I just have to cook up a piece of chicken so I can throw that on there, or I might just eat it alone. I'm not super hungry, but I know I need something because I cannot finish out this day hangry. Can't do it. Alright guys, got my Caesar salad. Just got myself some water and I'm watching some Wentworth. Okay you guys, little update on the laundry situation. My comforter is drying. There's a vent right here that helps, and then the fan as well. And we get a lot of sunshine in this room, so you can hear them going crazy. Hey, I'm trying to clean. You were out all morning with me, okay? Relax. Relax. I can't have you out right now. I can't. I'm running around doing things. And if you pee anywhere, I have to clean it up, and I don't want to do that. So, yep. That's drying there. All that we have left now are just my pillowcases and sheets. I like to bleach those just so they stay really nice and clean. Some of you are probably concerned about the bleaching because these are a little bit colored, but I don't heavily use bleach. I just add a little bit and it keeps them nice. And it actually keeps this mint color from turning dark too, which I really enjoy. And yeah, that's what's going on right now. Here in a little bit, it'll be time for me to head out for work, which is fine because everything's just drying at this point. And if I don't get to my pillowcases now, I can get to them when I get home. I get off around 7:30 tonight, which isn't too bad. I like to go to bed around 10:30, 11, so it gives me plenty of time to get those washed, dried, and get my bed set up. But yeah, my day here is pretty much done. I'll be headed to work soon, so I will see you guys when I get home.